Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be making this simple grass, as you can see right here. Big grass. Now without further ado, let's begin. Okay, let's begin. So this process is actually pretty simple. You just need whatever object that you want to kind of put grass onto for now. I'm gonna use a plane, just for the sake of simplicity for now. So just a plane. And so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the particle properties right here, and then you're gonna press plus right here. You see, now basically in the particle system there's two types of particles. There's an emitter and there's a hair. So for this time we're gonna use a hair, and as you can see there's like long strands of line like produced on, like, what do you say, it's coming out of the plane like this. So now let's first like shorten the length of the hair, maybe like 0.5, something like this. Is actually up to you. 0.3, something like this. So this is gonna be the length of our grass. So now there's a couple settings that we could change to make it look better. So for example, the first one, let's click on advanced right here, and we're gonna go to physics. Then we can increase the where is it, Brownian. Then you can increase the Brownian, and what this does is it basically like increases the bendiness of your strands. So now it's more bendy, and if you look from the side, it kind of looks like grass now. It's pretty good. You can also increase the number of like blades of grass. Like right here in the number, you can increase the amount of hair, I guess, or grass actually. We should call it grass. So something like this. And now if we go to like shading properties, I mean it's pretty nice, but it's not green, I guess. So what you can do is we're gonna go to material properties and just give it a new material. Now we can just set it to like something green like this and call it a day. Now I mean it is green, but it's just green. Now if you want to go for more like a more detailed one, like it's more colorful with different colors, not just one solid color, then you should use textures. So now with like right here, you can press on this yellow button and go to image texture. So now we have an image texture loaded. Then we can press open right here and just like select whatever grass texture that you have. I'm gonna link the one that I used in the description. So it's basically just gonna be an image, and you just load it up into the image texture that we just did earlier. You can also use your own textures as well if you want. This is just an example of one that you can use. Let me duplicate the light so it's more bright. As you can see, it's something like this. There we go, grass. Now you might think that this doesn't look like the thing in the thumbnail. Now that is true. The thing is, in Eevee, this is all you could do. It's kind of just like this. But now if you go into cycles, I don't know why they made the Eevee all capitalized. It's kind of weird. But when you switch to cycles right here, as you can see, let me zoom in. You can see that there are like thickness to the strands now, and it looks a little bit better. Okay, that is it for today's video. I've been a little bit busy recently. I've been studying a lot for my entrance exam. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.